If u plus v over w is equal to 15, where u, v, and w are integers, and 1 is less than w is less than v is less than u, what is the least possible value of u? So let's think about this a little bit. So we have u plus v over w is equal to 15. Now just to kind of simplify this a little bit, let's multiply both sides times w. And so let's see, this would give us u plus v is equal to 15w. Now let's think a little bit about what they're telling us. Remember, u is going to be the largest of these three integers. U is going to be greater than v is going to be greater than w. Or u plus v is going, and u plus v is going to be equal to 15w. So because u has to be greater than v, and we're summing these two things, they're going to be 15w, and w is the smallest of these, we really want to minimize w. We really want to minimize w here because, one, that makes sure that this constraint isn't that constraining on u and v. And then the other element of it is, well, then the sum of u and v can be the smallest possible number right over here. So what's the minimum value for w right over there? Well, w has to be an integer greater than 1. So the smallest integer greater than 1 is 2. So let's set w equal to 2. So if w is equal to 2, this thing will become u plus v is equal to 15 times 2 is equal to 30. Now, what's the smallest u, where u plus v is equal to 30, where there's both integers, and u has to be greater than v? Well, let's see. U has to be greater than v, so they can't both be 15. So if the next combination of integers, if u can't be, they both can't be 15, but u could be 16 and this could be 14. So u would be equal to 16 and v would be equal to 14. And I think that does the trick. That's about as small as we get. We can't make u smaller than this. We can't get a smaller value than 30 right over here. And we can't, if we decrease the value of u any more, then v is going to be equal to the value of u, which would contradict this constraint right over here. So the least possible value of u is 16.